In this video, I'll show you an 888 stars promo code for Accumulator bets. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important results like this. So if you're looking for a promo code for Accumulator bets, here's what to do. Go over here, you click on registration. After registration, you're going to take the third option. Please don't choose any other option apart from this because all the options they don't work apart from this. Once you choose this, you're going to put in your surname, your name, and your email address. Also change your country first if you need, and then go over to your password segment. In the password segment, you're going to create a password using these four requirements. Please follow these four requirements to create a password. Once that's done, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, 88 stars is going to give you a 200% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. To activate this, click on the three boxes, make sure that all the details are correctly and register your account. After registration, complete the email verification that comes next, and you're good to go.